As picture perfect as it looks, snow has brought havoc to Slovenia. In a country of around 2 million people, 1 in 4 homes are without power. And that's because of this. All people can do is wait until help arrives. But that help may take some time. Blizzards have disrupted transport and closed more than 40% of schools. And if that wasn't bad enough, people have been asked not to drink the tap water either.
I
can only imagine what it must be like for those over 80 years of age or those who have small children. There's no electricity and water supply is a problem too.
The winter blast has caused chaos in Serbia, Croatia and Germany too. This is Austria. Homeowners have been shoveling for days. The wintry conditions are also causing problems in Italy, where they are suffering from widespread flooding. Torrential rain has caused misery for homeowners. Just getting around is a challenge, which is why the tens of thousands affected will be hoping an end to this extreme weather is in sight soon. Alpa Bittel, BBC News.